Hi, welcome to my channel Creative IT Hacks. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Today we will learn how to cut, copy and paste text quickly. Shortcut number 1, copy text, graphics, etc. with Ctrl+C. Ctrl+C is a powerful shortcut in Microsoft Word that allows you to copy selected text, images, or other content with ease. Simply highlight the content you want to duplicate, press Ctrl+C, and the selected item will be stored in your clipboard, ready to be pasted elsewhere in your document or even in another application. Shortcut number 2, cut text, graphics, etc. with Ctrl+X. Ctrl+X is a versatile keyboard shortcut in Microsoft Word that performs the cut operation. This means that it allows you to remove the selected text, image, or other content from its current location. Once you've selected the content you want to cut, simply press Ctrl+X, and the selected item will be removed and stored in your clipboard. Shortcut number 3, paste text, graphics, etc. with Ctrl+P. Ctrl+V is an essential keyboard shortcut in Microsoft Word that performs the paste operation. Once you've cut or copied content using Ctrl+X or Ctrl+C, respectively, you can use Ctrl+V to paste that content into your document or another location. This convenient shortcut allows you to seamlessly transfer text, images, or other items from the clipboard to your document. Thanks for watching. If you are new on my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update.